what candy was Hi-Chew invented as a replacement for? Invented in 1975 by Morinaga and Company, they are gummy, usually fruit chew cubes with a white outer layer meant to simulate biting into the flesh of a fresh piece of fruit, and then a colorful inner layer containing the actual flavor. They also insert a little speaker so you can hear the fruit scream as you bite it. The company was started by Taichiro Morinaga, a Japanese-born man who first tried candy while living in Oakland, California in 1888. He loved it so much he learned how to make his own and brought those skills and a crisp new Raiders jersey back to Japan in 1899, where he opened a store in Tokyo selling marshmallows, which he called angel food, which is why today their logo is still an angel, locking them in an eternal battle with devil dogs. This store became a full-on candy company in 1918, becoming the first in Japan to sell chocolate. The predecessor to the Hi-Chew came out in 1956 called Chulettes, which were designed to be a gum that would dissolve in your mouth so that you wouldn't have to spit it out when you were done, which is considered rude in Japanese culture and merely nasty everywhere else. This idea for an edible gum morphed into Hi-Chew in 1975 with the original flavor, strawberry, but there are now over 200 flavors to choose from, all of which have impeccable manners. My review? These are great. The texture is excellent, but since there's so much variety, the flavors can be hit or miss, so while the hits are spot on, the misses are almost inedible. They're like the Jelly Belly of gummy candy, which makes it hard to rate them, so overall, I give them 4 out of 5 cavities.